In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSH access in hosting a shared hosting. Ensuring SSH access is advantageous because it provides a secure and encrypted method to manage your server. So let's dive into the straightforward steps to get this done efficiently. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Hostinger's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply search for Hostinger. Once the homepage loads, you will be greeted with a vibrant display encouraging you to bring your ideas online, which is a great motivation for getting started. Now look towards the top right corner of the page. There you'll see the login option. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your Hostinger account. If you're like me and have a hard time remembering passwords, make sure you have it saved in a secure place, perhaps a password manager. Once you've logged in successfully, you'll be redirected to what's known as the Hostinger H panel. This is your central hub for all account and website management features. It's here that will enable SSH access. Navigate to the hosting section, typically found in the top navigation bar of the H panel. Clicking on it will display all the hosting plans associated with your account. Choose the one you wish to adjust by clicking on Manage. This step takes you into the settings of the specific hosting account you selected. Once you're inside the management area of your chosen hosting plan, look for the Advanced section. This is where Hostinger groups more sophisticated tools for seasoned users. Don't worry if it sounds daunting. Clicking here will reveal a list of advanced options. Next, locate SSH access. Clicking on this option will bring up the SSH configuration page. This page contains a variety of settings, but our main focus is enabling the access itself. Look for a button or toggle that says SSH status. By default, SSH access may be toggled off, so you'll want to switch it on. Once activated, Hostinger should provide you with connection details like the host name, port, and other credentials you'll need to configure your SSH client on your local machine. Remember to jot these down or keep them handy on your device for when you connect using an SSH client like PuTTY or Terminal. And that's it, you've now enabled SSH access on your Hostinger shared hosting account. This feature opens up another layer of managing your web server efficiently and securely, especially when performing tasks that demand direct server access. Thanks for following along, and I hope this simple tutorial was helpful. Make sure to explore other tools within your Hostinger H panel, and happy hosting.